What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, hope you're doing great, and in today's action-packed episode we're gonna be watching a lot of idiots in cars. This is episode number 134. So yeah, with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alrighty, let's get this party started. Whoa, take it easy Prius, who got you mad? Looks like the peace was never an option here. Whoa! Woo! The Prius woke up and chose violence. Oh, come on, power! Current objective survived. Hold it now. The bro was fighting for his life. He really tried. Oh, this is clever. Never let him know your next move. He was like, ha! Take that, FBI. On to the next one we go. Lane filtering is always uncomfortable to watch. Oh, that was epic. That was a good one. The Screaming Horn 1000 is now available. Order now. Oof. Clean pole position. Right there. That was actually one of the cleanest pole positions. At least so far. Whoa, that was the 2 drops of P came out moment right there. And meanwhile, in a rental car world, bro is just trying to improve his fuel efficiency. Alright then, that was well parked. Now kids, let's go shopping. Oh, let's see here. Whoa.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Seems like our dashcam guy was targeted by Los Santos Vagos. If you know what I mean. But anyways, let's see here. Back off, Porsche, no! Oh! Dear me. That escalated quickly. All of those driving assists and you still do this. Unbelievable. And another pole position. I don't know how he or she managed to not see that pole, but it is what it is. We are moving on. What is going on here? BMW shining bright once again like a diamond. Oh, I don't know why he did that, but free entertainment for us. And his friend is a legend. He made that video 100 times better. Oh, this can only go well. He wanted to get out, but his car had other plans. Whee! Oh, his car was like, come on, quick, come with me. I know how to get out of here without paying. Whoa, that was a dingleberry move, and now the Golf is enraged. And you definitely don't want to pull that stunt on a German car, because we all know what happened in the past. But anyways, I digress. As the Golf is giving him the taste of his own medicine, he's like, sorry Golf, but I had to do it. Your mom called me. Now, the Golf took that personally, and now he's considering to smash that guy into a wall. But the Golf is still holding back because there are other people on the road. Meanwhile, the white sedan decided to go for it anyways. Because after a Joe Mama joke, anything goes. Now the sedan is like, ha, 2-1 for me, you dingleberry. As the Golf pulls an outstanding move, now it's 2-2. And finally, after that legendary battle, they decided to pull over and hug it out. Oh, I tried to make it epic. Oh, that is the Rolls Royce. Nice. Come on now, power. Spin, baby. Oh, that's not gone well. Let me know in the comments, was that a clutch or something else? Whoa. Is that a Camaro? Don't go full Mustang, bro. Leave that to the professionals. Let's see here. Whoa. Be careful. Porsche. Someone is definitely having a middle life crisis. Oh, look at that beautiful machine. That is a DB10 or DB11 Aston. It's a beautiful car. Oi, mate, you can't park there. Oh, he had fun, I'm sure. Oh, would you look at that? It's a National Idiots Day. Because obviously some people don't know how dangerous that was. That's one of many reasons why aliens don't want to visit us. But anyways, the Merc is going full yeet across the grass and onto the road once again. I sometimes wonder what the hell is going on in their head. Whoa, that was a perfect timing. It was in sync with the beat. Nice. Oh, there goes a Mustang. Be careful, everybody. No, don't honk, because maybe the Mustang will go full Mustang and then you know the rest. You know what would happen. Whoa. Dearie me. That would be very difficult to explain without a video. Hey, yo, what the hell was that? Me. They're not bothered. They're sleeping. They don't care. Imagine being so tired that even a crash can't wake you up. That is... Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ouch, that hurts. It's similar to that feeling when you hit a pothole. It hurts, it really hurts. Whoa! Another pole position. What is going on today? Pole positions everywhere, and here goes another one. Bro, this is crazy. At least that neighborhood now knows who to thank for not having the electricity. Oh, let's see. Oh, that was glass. Right. Looks like we're not going that way anytime soon. We're gonna have to go around. Brake, 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 brake! Whoa, 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 whoa! From where did that guy come from? That was scary, man. They didn't even see a police car. Whoa, dude, chill out. Don't take GPS too seriously. Or maybe he had a fight with the GPS and then the GPS decided to set him up. Imagine that. And here it seems like someone decided to give off-roading a go. Come on, power! Come on! Come on! Come on! Keep pushing, you're almost out. Well, maybe not, but anyways. Keep pushing, bro. Come on! Come on! Yes! Almost there. Almost there. No, no, don't go back. No, go forward, man. Full power. You know the speed and power is always the answer. Come on, give it a go. Sad, brate, hvata zalet, ali kad krene ima da skrši celu ulicu. And he's finally free. That was how not to off-road 101 tutorial. Whoa, 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 Tesla, no! It's a shame Elon Musk didn't update your brain. It'd be nice if he added some common sense and driving skills. But it is what it is. Oh, he's one of those. He made a mess and he's mad now. Great stuff. Great stuff. And on what drug is this guy on? What are you doing, bro? Are you from gender reveal or something? I guess we'll never know. And this guy here probably has the same dealer as the previous one. He thinks he's in the UK. And also he's probably wondering, why is everybody driving on the wrong side of the road? Oh my god, bro. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching and for the overwhelming support. You guys are the best. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, smack that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of this. And also don't forget to leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.